a video.
Fly a drone.
Oh my god! Yay! Saturday today and I'm meeting my boyfriend for a Saturdate. I'm going to bring you guys with me and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you in a bit. Bye! Hi, we are at
Botanic Gardens.
And what are we doing here?
Going to eat lunch nearby. I'm not sure where.
Anyway, we are going to go to a restaurant, cafe, one of it, called Relish by Wild Rocket, and we are gonna go now. Let's go! So you cross the road and then you'll see this beautiful place called Relish. We're going up.
Marcus haven't opened yet.
So we're ordering via our phones. Let's order scallop herkiao glass noodles and one of these oyster omelette and one of krapao mitai rak. Ta-da! Any drinks? Nope.
Nope.
Okay, let's check out. So it's all here. What's it? Oh no! Look! No, why? They overcooked the egg. Why did they overcook the egg? How is it?
I like sort of fusion idea.
Is it spicy?
It tastes like, honestly, it's like the flavor of a spicy prawn mee slash wanton mee, but with the aglio olio kind of, I mean spaghetti kind of noodle.
Ah, okay, we're gonna eat. How was lunch?
Great.
Why?
Delicious. The oyster omelette spaghetti was great. For people who don't eat oyster, you'll still like it because the oyster is very well
Fried.
yeah, well fried, I would say.
So we are going to Botanic Gardens to do what?
Fly a drone.
Yeah, we're gonna fly our drone and our faces are burning. Okay, see you in Botanic Gardens. So we are leaving Botanic Gardens. Okay, so when we were trying to fly our drone at Shaw Foundation, then suddenly right, someone came over and stopped us and said that we cannot fly drone over at Botanic Gardens. And I was like, when I checked again, right, I was like, hey, wait. Botanic Gardens is in a no-fly zone. Oh my god! So we are gonna go somewhere else. Where are we going?
Heading to Bishan-Ang Mo Kio Park.
Yep, so see you there. We are here at Bishan-Ang Mo Kio Park.
Yeah.
There's a chicken! Chicken! Oh! Chicken ran away! Okay, fine, bye! Let's go! Okay, let's fly at this bridge first. I want to fly at the other side though, with water. But okay, let's try flying here and on this bridge first. If we are successful, I'll put the footage right after this clip. So let's see. I booked something, but he doesn't know what it is. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, I'm gonna tell you, okay? Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so right, I booked a pottery class.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so yeah.
Pottery class, right?
Yeah, why? Why you must repeat?
Because for what I heard, poetry class. But I'm doing pottery lah. Because I'm not into poetry lah.
Okay, so we'll bring you guys with us. So it's here. So we just finished the pottery. How did it go?
Not bad, but it was quite difficult for the first time. There are certain steps, especially the part where you have to bring the cup, like increase the height of the cup and make the edges thinner. That part is quite a difficult technique.
Yeah, so now we are going for dinner. Want to make a guess?
I tried guessing, but I think all my guesses were wrong.
Yeah, so I booked it. So I booked this place called Bonding Kitchen. Make a guess, what is it?
Bonding Kitchen?
Yeah, that's the name of the restaurant. And we are at Orchard Gateway, as I was said. It's within this mall.
Okay, I have no idea honestly.
Okay, we are eating Peranakan food! Yay!
Oh, great.
Yay! Yay!
What the?